Hi friend, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I am Tish and I am so happy to start this new year with you. I wanted to just reintroduce myself very quickly. I am Tish and I have a YouTube channel. It's A Savvy Life with Tish, and I also have a blog at www.tishbullard.com. This year I want to share 3 areas that I have been so passionate about. But I'm going to tell you a little secret. I've been a little afraid to step outside of what I've been known to do, which was and is event planning. The 3 areas that I want to share more with you are productivity, mindset, and lifestyle. These are very monumental tools that I have used throughout my years of being an event planner. I started in the early 2000s, y'all, when there were no resources that are available to us now. I was working a full-time job, had absolutely no money. Did you hear me? Absolutely no money. Me and my husband, we were brand new at being married, and our careers hadn't even set sail yet. But I know that I wanted to pursue a career, and I also wanted to be an event planner. And I have had a very, very successful run at that. But at the core of that, in addition to training and all of that good stuff, you know, the traditional stuff, I had to manage a career, you know, a 9-to-5 job, and I had to manage starting a brand new business with very little resources at my fingertips. Productivity has become a thing that I thrive on. And mindset, because I was doing this in an area where it wasn't heard of. You know, it was the church lady that coordinated the weddings or the aunts. It was very unheard of. So I had to shape my mindset to be more on the winning side. Not more on the winning side. I had to gain a winning mindset. And lifestyle, you know, going into design and keeping up with the trends and also tailoring a life that I loved was very important. So I want to let you know that I have committed to taking care of my blog. I was going to say vlog because I do that as well. But on my blog at www.tishbullard.com, I am posting every day of January on the areas of productivity, mindset, with a little bit of lifestyle in there. That'll come later. But I'm wanting to give these foundational tools to you up front in the year. So as we progress and emerge our relationship throughout the year, you'll already have some of these foundations, the foundation laid, okay? So I want you to go over to the blog, and if this is something that you have set on your goals list, that you want to be more productive this year, you want to enhance and improve your mindset and just connect with other supportive women who are on that journey, go visit the blog. I'm trying not to say vlog. And go over to YouTube and hang out with me there. On my YouTube channel, I have been posting vlogs, but I will do more informative videos if that is something that you want to do, where we can break down these topics even more and just be there to support and cheer each other on. All right, friend, I've taken up so much of your time already. I just wanted to let you know what to expect from me so far, and to let you know that there will be 31 days of posting. Please go and like the Facebook page. It's tishbullard.com on Facebook, and over on Instagram and TikTok. I'm even on TikTok and YouTube. I'll post all of my links down in the comment area, and I hope that you and I become great friends. I just want to let you know that I am here for you and I'm cheering you on, and the tips that I give you are the tips that I have used for years. 2006. Close to 20 years I have been using these tips, and I'm using them right now. I have recently started something new and challenging. I am going back to school to get my PhD, and I have to be I have to be on top of my productivity game because I also work full time, and I also operate a business with my husband and myself, and I have busy kids. So I am not giving you fluff. I'm giving you things that I use every day, and I want you to win. All right, I am so excited about our connection this year, and I hope that you have a beautiful and productive day. Talk soon. Bye.